it's Mark and Eva. We're here on the Lake Cruise in Zurich, leaving from Zurich on our way to the Springly and Lindt Factory / museum. So we're on the boat. Give you a view of what we're looking at. Very pretty along the harbor. And there's this behind Mark. So come with us, even Mark. Here's Mark to shoot some stuff.
Okay, and here are the Swiss Alps. See them pretty far out. It's a little bit hazy, but you can see them. So come with us as we take you to Zurich, on Lake Zurich, and see the Alps, see all of Zurich. It's a charming city. Here's Eva. Say hi. And we're having a nice drink as we tour Lake Zurich. So come with us. Mark and Eva in Zurich, in Lake Zurich, Switzerland, all of Europe, and around the world. Our motto is live well and travel well. Ciao.